Hello, I'm Autumn Anthony. I'm in Mat 1073 and Section 15. And today I'm going to go ahead and do Section 5.4, question number 44. So I guess we'll just get started. And it's 5 over x minus 3 is greater than 3 over x plus 1. And we're solving the inequality here. And so the first thing that we do is we're going to move this over to the same side and make it equal to 0. And then I've done that here. We're going to go ahead and make a common denominator. So we're going to multiply this by x plus 1, and we're going to do that on top and bottom. And we're going to do this by x minus 3 for top and bottom. And you'll see how now they have the same denominator. So go ahead and go a step down. I just expanded this out a little bit more. So it says 5x plus 5 over x plus 1, x minus 3 minus 3x minus 9 over x plus 1, x minus 3. And then, so it's going to be 5x minus 3x, which we're going to get 2x. And then 5 plus 9 is going to give us 14. And then we just put it all under that common denominator, x plus 1, x minus 3. So the zeros of the numerator are going to be -7 because you'll see -7 here would make this top equation equal to 0. So it will make the equation 0. And then we find the zeros of the denominator, which are going to be -1 and +3 because they make the equation undefined. So once we get these zeros, we're going to put them on our number line here. So we have the -7, the -1, and the 3. And I put a 0 here just as a reference point. And so we're going to put test points in between these. So -8 will be for this section. -2 will be for this section. 0 is like a pretty easy number. We're going to do that for this section. And 4 is going to be for over here. We're going to plug all of those back into this 2x plus 14 over x plus 1, x minus 3 equation. And you can see here I went ahead and already did that because the main thing we're trying to look for is not necessarily the number that comes out of it, but if it's positive or if it's negative. So -8, we plugged that into this equation here and it came up with a negative number. And then -2 came up with a positive number. 0 gave us a negative number. And we plugged 4 into the equation here, and then that gave us a positive number. So we're going to go back and look at this equation here. It's the 5 over x minus 3 minus 3 over x plus 1 is greater than 0. So to make this equation true, to solve this equality, we need to find something that is greater than 0. So this is negative, so that's not. This is positive, so that's going to work. This is negative, so this will not work. And this is positive, so this will work. So here, -2 would be in between these. And then our 4 would be here. So that means these ones check out. So that means ours is going to be in between -7, -1, and between 3 and infinity. So our final answer that we'll get will be -7, -1, and 3 to infinity. And that's it. So thank you.